Paper has an incredible ability to capture the imagination. First, it captures the light source, and its features can change so quickly.
So, what are your motivations when you are controlling a puppet? You try to make it as lifelike as possible, right?
No. I just let the puppet be. I let the puppet take the life. I just inject my energy into it, and the puppet takes on its own life. And it's not always me controlling it. Sometimes it pulls me in a certain direction.
Sometimes one just has to get the characters there and start playing and see where the story goes. So allow the characters to take you on the journey.
History in the making.
So the story